Most people are going about YouTube automation completely wrong. They spend hours bouncing between different AI tools, trying to piece everything together, only to end up with videos that don't get views. You don't need 10 different tools to automate a YouTube channel successfully. You only need 2. And if you use them the right way as part of a solid process, you can build a channel that not only looks professional, but actually performs well in the algorithm. In this video, I'm going to break down this process step by step, from finding the right niche to uploading a fully automated high-quality video that people actually want to watch. I've linked all the tools that I'll cover in this video in the description, so make sure to click on those to sign up for free accounts and exclusive deals. Step 1. Pick a niche. The best way to find a good niche is by going incognito. Open a private browsing window and go to YouTube. This way, you're seeing recommendations based on what YouTube is actually pushing, not what you personally watch. Spend some time on the homepage and the trending sections, paying attention to videos from smaller channels that are getting a lot of views. If you see a video with hundreds of thousands of views, but the channel only has a few thousand subscribers, that's a sign that YouTube's algorithm is working in their favor. That means the niche has potential. But don't stop at just one video. Click on the channel, go to their videos tab, and check if this success is consistent. Are multiple videos getting 100,000 views or more? Or was it just a one-time fluke? You want a niche where videos regularly perform well, not one where people get lucky with a single viral hit. If you find a small channel that's consistently pulling in views, take note of their niche. Then search for that topic on YouTube and see what other videos are coming up. If all the top results are from massive channels with millions of subscribers, it's probably too competitive. But if you see other small channels getting traction, that's a niche worth considering. You also need to think long-term. Look for evergreen topics, things people will always be searching for. Finance, health, self-improvement, and certain types of storytelling content tend to always work well. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going for the self-improvement niche. Everyone will always want to improve themselves, so this works well. Step 2. Set up your channel. Go to YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and select Switch Account. Then click View All Channels and Create New Channel. Your channel name is important because it sets the tone for your brand. You want something that fits your niche, but is also easy to remember. If you're struggling to come up with a name, AI can help. Open Chat GPT and ask it to generate name ideas based on your niche. It will generate a list of ideas, and you can pick one that feels right. Copy and paste the name into YouTube, and your channel is officially created. Now it's time to customize it. Click on Customize Channel and go to the Basic Info tab. Here, you can change your handle. If the handle you want is taken, you can add extra letters or numbers to make it unique. Then you need a channel bio. This is another place where AI can help. Use ChatGPT to generate an SEO-optimized description by giving it a simple prompt like this. Make sure the description clearly explains what your content is about. Copy and paste the bio into YouTube. Next, you need branding. Your profile picture and banner should look professional, and you can create them entirely using AI. Start by asking ChatGPT to generate a design idea based on your niche. For example, give me an image generation prompt for a modern, eye-catching YouTube banner designed for a self-improvement channel. I will use this to generate an image in Leonardo AI. Once you have a design concept, take it to Leonardo AI. Paste the text prompt into Leonardo, tweak the settings to get a high-quality image, and then generate and download your image. Now go to Canva and search for YouTube banner templates. Open one up, replace the images with your Leonardo AI image, and add text like "Subscribe for weekly self-improvement tips." Once your banner is done, download it as a PNG and upload it to YouTube. You can use Canva again to create your profile picture. Just search for a logo template, then upload a Leonardo AI image or choose an icon from the Elements tab in Canva. Download this and then upload it to YouTube. With branding sorted, the last thing you need to do before posting videos is to optimize your channel for search. Go to Settings, then Channel, and add keywords related to your niche. AI tools like VidiQ can help you find high search volume keywords that will make your channel easier to discover. Just head over to their keyword section and then type in your niche, like self-improvement, and see which related keywords come up. Go for the keywords with the best scores. Paste these keywords into YouTube. Step 3. Create your video. The easiest way to do this is by looking at what's already working. Go to a competitor's channel, filter their videos by popularity, and pick a topic that's already gone viral. I like this idea of how I tricked my brain to like doing hard things with dopamine detox. Once you have a topic, you need a script. AI makes this easy. Head over to DupDub, sign up for a free account, and then log in. Click on AI transcription. Then click on New transcription. Now pick YouTube, then copy and paste the YouTube video URL. Hit transcribe. After a few minutes, you'll get a full transcription of the YouTube video. Copy this transcript, go to the home page, then click on AI writing. Paste your script here. Select everything, then pick Rewrite. Make any tweaks or adjustments if you want to. Next, click on the Generate AI Voiceover button at the top. That will take you to this page where you can pick from these voices by clicking on the avatar picture. You can choose from all of these different options and also decide what emotion you want, like friendly, excited, and so on. I'll pick friendly. You can play around with the settings if you want to add sound effects or change anything. It's super easy to use DupDub. Once you're finished, export the voiceover. Now go back to the home page, click on video, and then on video editing. Upload your voiceover. And now for the visuals, you can click on AI Labs. Then click on AI Image. Type in a prompt to generate unique images that are relevant to your script. For example, I can type in a dark wooden desk with a pile of books on it. Make sure the image ratio is set to 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube videos. Click on Generate, and now you'll have an image that you can add to your video. Do this for each key phrase and sentence of your video. Once you have all your footage lined up with your voiceover, you can add sound effects, text, transitions, video effects, and subtitles easily. Have a play around with all of these settings and get as creative as you'd like. The most important thing is that your video makes sense and is engaging. Once you're happy with your editing, go ahead and export the video. Step 4. Upload your video. The last thing to do is create a thumbnail similar to how we created the YouTube banner and logo. Just pick a template and use Leonardo AI to generate a unique image that you can add to customize this. Use bold text and high contrast to make it pop. Upload the video to YouTube, use VidiQ to optimize the title and description, and hit publish. That's it. Your first fully automated video is live. Stick to this system and your channel will grow faster than you think. The only two main AI tools that you really need are DupDub and ChatGPT. With just these, you can create an efficient and successful YouTube automation channel. The less time you spend on tasks that AI can handle for you, the more time you can spend improving your strategy and growing your channel. If you have any questions or want to get into even more specifics, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside YouTube Profit Academy, we share exclusive tips and updates on content creation, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, running online businesses, and much more. It's completely free, so be sure to join using the link in the description, and I'll see you inside. Which of these tools have you used before, or are you thinking of using next? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Like,